How to change your country in Asphalt 9. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country in Asphalt 9. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Asphalt 9 game and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the game, you will enter the lobby. And now to change your country, you can simply head over to your settings by tapping on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, you can simply tap on the game settings tab. And in this section, you can see the option labeled language and country. Simply tap on that, and after that, on the right hand side, you will see your current country. And under that you can simply scroll down through the list and choose the country that you want to change to. And to change your country, you simply need to tap on it and confirm by selecting yes. And that's it. Now your country will be updated. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.